Do you have an error preventing the UDWM Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. To start our troubleshooting for UDWM Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the UDWM Library, the User Mode Desktop Window Manager DWM Library. It manages the unmanaged rendering of window frames, glass effects, Aero, and shell transparency. It facilitates the hardware-accelerated orchestration of the desktop visual manifest via the GPU. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as UDWM Library DLL. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the UDWM library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for UDWM Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing UDWM library and maintaining system stability. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing UDWM library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.